Hey guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro. This is Shrita over here, and in today's video we're gonna see how to create a Facebook business page. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. Let's say you are running a business and you want to promote it online. Then Facebook business page is one of the best way to reach out people. In this video we'll see how can you create a Facebook page for your business where you can promote your products or services. This will help you reach more people and it will also increase your website traffic. So if you don't have a website, you can create one by watching the previous videos in the playlist. You can go check out this channel PC Tips Pro. You'll find how can you create your own website. So now let's get started with this video of creating a Facebook business page. So now to create your Facebook page, firstly log into your Facebook account. If you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking this create new account here. So you can log in or you can create new account. I'll click on create new account. So now you can create it after you open your account, you log into your account or you create one. You'll find this plus symbol over here. To create your page, click on this plus symbol and click on page. You want to create a new page, so you can click on this plus new page. So once you click on this, you will see the structure of your page. This is how your page structure looks like. And now you can find this details form here, that is a page name. That is, you can give your page name like, I'll give some page name like naturals, my naturals products name, or you can give your page name like your business name. You can give it over here. And the category, you can add categories up to 3 categories you can add. So I'll say some organic food shop, and I could say it is we'll search for some suggestions, food and drink or food delivery service or food stall. You can choose up to 3 categories here. We'll see this food, we even say fast food food service distributor, and then you can click on this create page. And also you can give your description here. You can add it later on or you can add it now. You can edit your page whenever you want. So you can add your description too, like now we can give some description. All organic foods are available. You can say this, and then you can even add much more description for your visitors and click on save, so that it is now saved. Now your Facebook page is created, and now we can now add our profile picture and cover photo. So this is your cover picture, so you can cover photo or you say, so click on this edit button and you can choose from the photos, or you can create a slideshow here. You can upload a photo. So you can upload a photo or choose from photos. You can give one photo from a pic relevant to your business in this cover photo, and also you can give it your profile photo. You can edit your profile photo by clicking on it. You can upload your photo for this. And now let's scroll down, and if you scroll down you can see these things. You have this form, that is your location, your description and your website. Everything is here. So click on this edit page info, and now we will see this general details which you have already edited, and you can even edit them again. You can again edit them whenever you want by clicking on this edit page info, and then go to this contact form. Give your phone number. You can give your business phone number, or else you can give my page doesn't have a phone number. You can give your email if you don't want to. If you are not willing to give your email, or if your business doesn't have an email address, you can say my page doesn't have an email. And you can give the website of your page. You can the website of your business page here, the URL of the website of your business page. You can paste it over here. And if you don't have one, you can just say my page doesn't have a website. You can create one website by going to our previous videos in the playlist. You can go back and you can see how can you create your website. And now after doing this, we'll search for next option, that is you can go to this location, you can select your location of the business. Here if your business is an online e-commerce business or anything, as such in my case it is an online e-commerce website, so I would say my page doesn't have any location, so I can give it. And then you can give your service area, like where you are from, you can just give it, and you can give your service area. Next one will be your service hours. So as it is an online e-commerce, I'll just keep it as it is. But if yours is an offline one too, an online one too, you can just go with give your hours, like working hours, that is it permanently closed, or you can say open during selected hours. You can give your own hours here. And even you can give some temporary service changes, like you can open with service changes, or you can say temporarily closed or operating as usual. You can just give it, like if you want to give any service changes temporarily, you can give it over here. And when you go to this more section here, you can tell your visitors to how are the prices on your website. I would say they are moderate. And you can even add your other social media accounts like Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube, Line, WeChat, Skype, and many more, GitHub, VK, many more, Oculus. So then you can just give your username of that, and you can click on this plus icon in order to add your accounts. So then we'll go back again. Let's take this off. When you give your details, you can just click on save changes after you give your details. And now you can see this add a button option here. So basically when someone visits your site, it would usually give this button to be send a message on the messenger, that is the Facebook Messenger. It will show you that. But if you want to customize this button too, you can do that very easily by clicking on this. You can just click on this add a button. So when you do this, you will get some buttons here. So I'll just you can just go click select the button which you want to show. I will say shop now. So shop now will be my button, and you can give your website's URL here. Like I will give my website URL here, that is beauty plus I can give this. This is my website URL. So you have successfully added your button now. This is your shop now button. So whenever the visitors click on this shop now button, they would be redirected to your website so that they can shop them over there. Now here, if you see this URL of your Facebook website, you can see this numbers over here. If you want to if you want to make it like so easy for your visitors to easily visit your page, you can make it like this. How can you do this? I'll tell you. So now you can see this create at the rate of username. Click on this, and here give your username. Like if I say I give my naturals, and if I give this naturals, and then you can click on your create username. But you will get an error, that is you are not eligible to create a username, because while changing your username you could get an error. This is because you have followers less than 25. Once you reach your 25 followers, you will be able to change the URL of your Facebook page. So this is because I have no followers, I have just created my page, so I am getting this kind of error message. So once you reach your 25 followers, that is a very easy one, then you can change your Facebook website URL by changing this username. So this is how you can change this username. And next we will see how can you create a post on your Facebook page. So now here you can see this create post option. Click on this create post, and then once you click on it, you'll get this. So here you can choose an image from this, and you can give some text or a caption to your image, and you can I say hello, welcome to my page, I say. So this is a text. You can even add your image too by clicking on this photo or video one. And then now let's click on post. So then it will be posted to your Facebook page, Facebook business page, to all your followers or all your friends who have been added to this will be seen. So your followers would see them, like, your text that you have given. And then in this similar fashion you can create many more posts, like how many you want, you can just create them at a one go very easily like this. And if you want to check the performance of your page, you can just scroll down, or you can see insights over here. Click on this insights. So here you can see have your page reach is, how many likes and how many followers are added to your page, and many more things in this insights option. As of now I don't have any insights because I have just started my page, so I don't have any insights. And if you get back, and here if you just scroll down, here you can see your insights, but as of now I don't have any insights. When you get back to this page and when you scroll down, you will get all your friends. So I don't have any friends currently into this new Facebook account. So when you scroll down, you can see all of your friends, and you can invite them to your Facebook page also, to like your post, to like your page, to follow your page. You can make them do them to visit your pages, and you can invite them like this by just clicking on the invite button beside your friend's profile. So this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.